Yo, what's up you guys? This your boy JB, aka MyMixEngineer, with another video. This video I want to show you guys how I balance like instrumentals. So I got a tracked out instrumental here. I'm gonna balance it real quick. It's already been mixed. The artist name is Biz Da MC. Dope artist. I have all his information in the description below. So let's jump right on into it. So first thing first, I got it looped up. I already got it queued up. I like to start with my drums. I'm gonna be working on the C24. You guys probably can't see it, but it's right here. So hitting play is it's looping right now, right? I want my kick to kind of come in and hit around like 15, and that's gonna be like the start. But 15 on my drum bus. All right, boom. Now we got somewhere to start. I want my snare to be on top of that kick because the vocal is going to be in between them two. All right, so now that I got my cool balance on my drums, even with my accent snare hits, I start driving in the bass. Well, he got like a bong. And then a cool trick when I get this bass, I use a VU meter for the bass. So let's get another little section right here. And when I'm making sure that I don't get into the red, that's basically what it is. There's also another trick that you can make sure that your kick is hitting around -3, and then once the bass and the kick hit together, it's hitting at 0. That's another technique you can use. So right now I'm just trying to find little spots so that I make sure I get all of it. I like that bass. Then we got another instrument here. Let's find it. So this is like a sound effect, and that's heard, but I wanted to sit back a little bit. Then you got the funky one. That's vinyl clipping. Man, we really don't need that. I just want to make sure I get at least one pop or two. Yeah, that's all I want to hear, crackle a couple times. I don't know what this is. So what I'm hearing is that I want to turn that down. But I remembered like this was important to him, the artist. He wanted to hear it. So I remember I made it so high pitched. There we go. And I think everything else, like we got this little sound effect. Let's put this in real quick. Oh, that's that little Sonic the Hedgehog sound. And I'm also doing this all over again on the Oratone. So my mix is in mono right now. I'm hearing it in mono. We got one more of this. This sounds like some like industrial sound effect, like for a movie score. So, and he also got a lot of percussion instruments going on right here. So let's start bringing them in. Let's go from here to here. And it's all of these. Okay. Okay. It's like a chain, like sound like somebody holding a chain on it. Yeah. Yeah, it look like that's it. So from there, I do got a drum parallel, so let's activate that. So the drum's hitting a little harder. I think I got it on just the kick and the snare. Yeah, just the kick and the snare has the parallel. And on my parallel, I'm using basically, you could say as a Fairchild, but the IK medial. And I'm squashing it, as you can see. So this will be my test because it sounds good. It sounds good on just the regular Oratone To me, it just sounds like me sitting in an Oldsmobile, old school box Chevy Oldsmobile with one speaker. That's what I grew up with, so might as well go right back to it. So now let's hear what it sounds like in stereo. Bam. Everything got its own dynamic. Everything got its own space. And then, just for the hell of it, let's throw a limiter on it. Let's make it loud. Yeah, so from the beginning. Now you hear like everything, like the snares cracking, everything got a nice lit even space. To me right now, I can see where everything is placed at in front of me, even though I'm got two stereo speakers in front of me. So on my drum bus, I know you guys gonna have some questions about that. So on my drum bus, I got the VCC, and you can get the Brick G. Following that, I'm using the Shadow Hills from Plugin Alliance. I love this because the way it sounds, and I'm actually using a preset that I tweaked. Well, no, I didn't even tweak it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just put up a preset. It's called the light drums light groove. That's what I'm using. It sounds good. I've been using it for a minute, and that's what it is. And let me show you. Let's see how hard my drum's hitting it. How hard it's working. Not bad. It's working, but not working. You know what I mean? Then on my instrument track, which you'll see that's on all of my buses here, I'm actually using the SSL bus compressor. So this is just to glue everything together before it gets to the instrument track. Just a slight glue. You can see 4:1 ratio, tach, you know what I'm saying, 10 milliseconds, auto release, and I'm getting probably like 4 dB gain reduction, if that. I think it's only on that little noise. But other than that, not doing too much compression. Too much compression will make your mix sound less dynamic. So I still want to keep some dynamics. I still want it to breathe. So just a little glue there. And I also took the time out to write down where I had everything placed. So check this out. At first I had the kick. I'm not too far off. My snare is way louder than I had it at first. Which triggered me. Oh no, this snare is lower. And this is higher. I mean, yeah, since I raised that snare up, it made me raise up my hi-hats, which sound better to me. Again, we only abandoned mixes. The mixes, they're not done. We just abandoned them. It's like, here you go. Just be honest with you. But bass not too far from where I was. Well, it's more on this one. I wonder what it sounds like. Let me see. Yeah, that's too much bass. Yeah, because I remember that bass was just to be heard. It wasn't. It supposed to be felt, not heard. Like I can feel it in the sub. Then they got another bass here that's supposed to be heard, and then the gong, which I'm pretty close. I turned the gong up a little louder. This bass right here, I call this some bass shit I don't know. I don't know what it was, so I just labeled it. Let's see what it sounds like. Y'all hearing the parallel as well, but I don't know. It just distorted bass with a kick like an 808. I don't know. Some bass shit. I don't know. So that was pretty much it, you guys. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that. Let me say that again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Man, stop playing with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, you guys. Support your boy. It's for the culture. You know what I'm saying? So remember, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still here with my dog.